How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Obviously, the market is dumping at the moment. I'm looking for some sells on the retracement, so we are gonna go and try to find some trades for today. Obviously, I'm gonna wait for certain levels to get hit, and then we take the sells. But yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin first. So basically, this was my entry price earlier today for Bitcoin, because you can see what actually happened was we were trading in this range, and then we broke out on the 30 minutes and the 1 hour time frame, and then the next candle came up, created a top wick, and then sells back down to 42,800. Take profit was at 43,300 because of the support over here, and obviously when we looked at the book map, it showed quite a nice support at 43,300. So that was the reason why we did actually take profit there. Okay, so what I'll be looking at now is, you can see we are getting a retracement here back up. I mean, it taps into the 786 and the 618 retracement. So I am looking for a potential sell again here for Bitcoin, because of the fact that we're in a downtrend at the moment. We broke lows. Next key level for Bitcoin is definitely 42,300. So let's have a look here and see how this 15-minute candle closes. And if we get a strong 15 closure, we can take sells and then put our stop loss above the wick. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin, looking for sells. I don't even think we have to even wait for the 15 closure yet, to be honest. Yeah, this is clean. Yeah, I'm gonna take the setup for Bitcoin, yeah. It's very clean, I think. You can just have your stop loss above the 786 and then take profit one. This is what I look at, yeah. Okay. Take profit one would be over here at like 43,000, and then take profit two would be at 42,800. And I don't know, we may even see lower than that, because the retracement should be done now for Bitcoin. It's tapped into two fib levels. And I mean, we could consolidate between these two fib levels and break down. But I think this is quite clean. Okay. Let's see how this plays out. Let's have a look at Chainlink. Yeah, so we took the sell for Bitcoin here, guys, so you know. And then Chainlink, I also want to look at this chart here. Yeah, so the 4 hour time frame, we created this. It's kind of in a bull flag at the moment, to be honest, but it's still dumping. But if you look here, this could potentially, because it taps into this level here already. Have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, it's still gonna get a drop here, Chainlink. That's a very, very strong bearish candle there. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, what it's doing, because we obviously took that sell for Bitcoin. Yeah, it looks clean. This 15-minute candle closure is going to be very critical here for Bitcoin. Yeah. So Chainlink, looking at a sell here as well. Just want to see what the fib's saying. Let's have a look at the fib. That's clean as well. It's actually very clean. Yeah, this is clean. Stop loss above the wick here. Yeah. So we in sells for Chainlink and we in sells for Bitcoin. Yeah, let's see, let's see. Let me know in the comments if you guys took these trades. And if you guys do have any questions about why I took the trades, just let me know and we can run through it again. I think Chainlink's still clean to take, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna rip. Look at Bitcoin here, it's dumping so nicely. Chainlink's also looking clean. Let me know if you guys have any charts you want me to go over as well. I can go over them. But mainly just looking at these two trades we're in. We don't want to overextend our trades as well. But obviously if there's setups, right? So you can actually have a lot of trades open if everything's telling you it's gonna go down. Nice. That's so clean. Let's see how this plays out. TP1's about to get hit here for Bitcoin. Let's see how it plays out. The thing is, like, it will kind of have to touch this 43K level again for a retest anyway. Even if it bounces from the zone, then it's fine. But if it doesn't break through here, we may see a bounce. So yeah, let's see. Because the Bitcoin, yeah, it's just a bit of a retracement now. Chainlink sells are still valid. Coming up here, but Bitcoin back up to entry. What's the volume saying? There's still bearish volume here. We have a look at the book map. Let's see. I'm gonna lie. So I didn't realize my whole the whole time there my mic was on mute. I do apologize for that. I was speaking for so long there. So what I was saying is, for Bitcoin, we're still bearish here. The 30-minute candle is probably going to close bearish, and I do think that retracement to the 618 has already been done. We may see price come back up to the zone and then come back down, but I still think that this trade is still valid. And then Chainlink, I'm still in this trade here. AVAX just looks bullish in terms of if it holds its level. But I mean, if it breaks down from this zone here, if it closes below this level here on the 50 minutes at around about 27, then yeah, I'll take the sells. But the thing is, overall, it's still respecting this upward, this ascending channel here, right? So but like I said, you want to be selling at the top here, and you can look to just buy at the bottom here, like this, like how it's been trading the whole time. Because if you're buying here and you're selling here, it's quite a big range, right? It's 8% range. So like this could have been a trade here, 6%. This could have been a trade here, 8%. From here to down here, 6%. You know what I mean? That's something you can look at. Personally, I didn't take these. I'm not saying that I did, but it's something that you can look for in the future because it's very clean, especially when you have like this move over here, right? When you get like a massive rally like this for AVAX, like an exponential curve, normally price like consolidates in an upward sloping direction. You don't really see this happen. But even if that does happen, you can still play the range. Right? So just keep that in mind. AVAX has pumped so much since we last looked at it. Yeah, so let's have a look at a couple other coins. I'll have a look at Ethereum. I was actually looking. Yeah, I was looking at this earlier as well. So basically with Ethereum, I was waiting for this closure here. So we closed below this resistance, top wick stalls. I didn't take this, but I was waiting for it. And then it did actually happen. Create the top wick, take the sell back down to support. Yeah. But if you just stick to that most of the time, you need volume though. So you can see over here we have volume, and that's also why I took that sell. Because especially you're trading in a downtrend, right? Ether's doing this, so the more likely scenarios are just breaking below support and coming down. Yeah. Actually been doing well today. So you can see over here, actually was trading in this range, right? We broke out. Actually, earlier I took a long from this support over here, and I took profit at like this high, and then obviously we made new highs here, and then I longed from the 618 back up to the high again. Yeah. But like I said, for Axie, you wait for a breakout of this trend line, like over here, and then once it closes above this resistance over here, wait for a bottom wick, take buys back up to the highs. Yeah. So that's why I took that trade, and then the next trade I took because it was bullish. We had a 618 retracement along there as well. So a couple reasons why that trade was valid. Obviously now, if I have a look at Axie, what am I looking at? I mean, it's looking bearish as well. So yeah, this is clean. What is this? It probably takes sells here. AXS. Yeah, look how clean this is. Goes below the range. So this Fibonacci is pretty much gone now. We've created new levels. So yeah, this is clean. If you want to take sells here, this is clean. I'd go low leverage here because the fact that the stop loss is just so big. So we have Chainlink dumping again. Finally, I've been waiting for that one. So the stop loss, I mean, your risk reward here is 1:1. It's still decent, but I mean, you could hold to this low here. So we're going to take this short here for AXS. I would go on the lower side of the leverage here. Let's have a look at Bitcoin again, because we're obviously in that short. Not much happening. Not much is happening. But we have the 30-minute closure now. So 30-minute candle just closed here for the chain link. And, close bearish, respecting. It's still clean to be in this trade. This 15-minute candle though. And actually, let's have a look here. Close below. Close respecting this zone though. Quite interesting. Let's have a look at ETH, because we're actually looking at yeah, the thing is, I don't know about having a short on ETH now, because the 30-minute did close bearish, and the 1 hour is looking like it's going to continue. The lower time frames, like the 5, are telling a potential bounce here. Yeah, so I wouldn't look at uni, to be honest. Yeah, the thing is with Bitcoin, if you have a look at the 4-hour time frame, it's just look at the volume as well. This was obviously way more. The volume actually wasn't that hectic. It's interesting. Let's see how this plays out. This might take a while though. There's still like 26 minutes until the 30-minute candle closes here. So this total 3 chart shows us the market cap of all the altcoins. And you can see that it is actually bouncing at the moment. I want to see how it holds this level here. If it does. Same with the total 2. It's the same. It's a very, very similar chart, right? We have resistance over here. So Bitcoin still just came straight back to entry here. It missed that first TP1 by like 0.02%. Yeah. So Bitcoin's still respecting the support here. So I mean that's currently why I'll still stay in this trade. Like we have support to the left here. Okay, look at the support over here, and you see our price bounced off there, right? Then now we closed below, came back up, touched the 618 retracement, then closed back below, retracement back up to the zone, potential fall off. So unless if the next like 15 or 30-minute candle close above 43,300, then I'll be like, okay, this trade needs to have a look at this setup, right? because then it'll be like, okay, the dump's pretty much done. We can look for potential moves to upside. As long as price closes below, 43,300, still valid for sales. Because now it's in a new range, right? Because the range initially was 43,300 to 44,400, right? That was the range that we had for Bitcoin. And then now that we're closing below the range, it needs to respect the top of the previous range in order for it to continue to go down. So that's, and if it closes back above that range, then I'll be like, okay, now it's invalid, right? So that would be the reason for me to take the trade out. Yeah, so we're still in this sell here, and also for uni. Let's see how this plays out. I've got like, I'll do another 10 minutes here, and then I just want to see how Bitcoin respects here. I want to wait for the next 15-minute candle, because the next 15-minute candle is obviously going to be crucial here. Like if this candle here for uni flips bearish on the 15, then it's clean. And it's very clean. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Like the thing is, I have to be patient here for this to play out, because it's going to take a while. I'll check now. I don't think there isn't any news there of importance. I don't think. I'll have a look. Normally we see 4 o'clock news at about time. So Thursday, unemployment claims at Hoppers 5. It's not too hectic. You don't have to really worry about news. Yeah. There has been some news about. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, uni's flipping bearish. Yeah. See how that candle flips bearish. It's way better. You start to see some volume. Bitcoin's flipping bearish. Chainlink's flipping bearish. See? We would want, like, if this 15-minute candle closes below the zone here for uni, it's gonna be quite a big dump. Yeah. But we need to see the 15 close below. XRP is definitely a coin that's. It says just in rumors in XRP community that Ripple vs law case lawsuit settlements in the next few days. Oh, so this tweet over here obviously pumped the price up. That's interesting. I actually didn't see that. I haven't been trading reports so much. Let's have a look at XRP. Wonder what that was. This morning, right? It was yesterday. Okay, yeah, it must be there. It was this move over here. But to be honest, it's looking quite bearish on the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, most coins are looking like they're going to break their lows, yeah. Let's see. A 1 hour closure, yeah, would be amazing. I want to see how this 15 closes. There's 1 minute, yeah. Yeah, it's patience, yeah. I mean, this might take a while because if you look at the 1 hour, like the next clear level is this level here. But I mean, this breakout was insane, right? Because you take a short, I'll show you exactly what I mean here. You take a short, you see how price was trading over here, and then we close below. Wait for price to create a top wick, and then you take sells to most previous lows. Same thing with buys. If price closed above this level over here, wait for price to tap the zone, take buys to this zone. And obviously, if there's a lot of momentum, then you could probably hold like what it is here, take out the most previous wick and start creating new lows. You could probably hold, but normally the targets are at the support. We're seeing a bounce here for what's it? Chain link. And Bitcoin's looking bearish. Let's see how this 15 closes. Okay, so the 15 just closed here, and it closed bullish, right? But can you see how price still respecting this 40, 44, 43, 300 level, right? Still respecting it. So, like I said, until price closes above that zone, then I'll be like, okay, that's it. So I said that in the beginning, and that's why I'm still in these shorts because Bitcoin is still holding 43, 300. At any given point of time, if it closes, let me just delete all the drawings here. I want to show you here. So at any given point in time, if price closes like above here, if it closes above, then I'll be like, okay, Yeah, let me look and maybe take out this position because then I'll know that this dump is over. We're looking for buys, but because we closed below here, it was our 15-minute support, right? Like we spoke about this level, closed below, closed back above, retested the 0.618, and then dump back down. Yeah, that's currently why we did take the setup. Just so you understand why I'm in shorts. Same thing with Axie. You can take shorts here, guys. I do think that it's going to carry on to the downside. And then Chainlink, we also in some shorts. Chainlink's about a bearish share. I mean, look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. On the 15, can you see how the 15 created a bullish candle? But the thing is, the higher time frames was telling us it's bearish, and because the lower time frames were closing bullish, and most people think that it's going to carry on. Right? Because this 15-minute candle closed, it looks like a bullish candle, but it closed respecting these wicks over here. So that's also another reason why you should stay in these cells. Yeah. Bitcoin, fine. Axie still looks good. Same thing with Axie. Goes bullish, respecting these highs. So I'll still stay in the position. So you close bearish, I say bullish. Yeah, so just patience is definitely key here. I'm gonna be live for like another 5 minutes here. I just wanted to see how that 15 closed, and we got a nice closure. So, and like I said, I'll just run through the take profits here for all the coins that we're in. So TP1 for uni is definitely 15.232, and then TP2 15.09, and then if it dumps hard, you can even look at TP4, TP3 at 14.886. Okay, and then Bitcoin, we ran through Bitcoin quite a few times here, but essentially, your TP1 is at 23.052. Why is it there? It's support on the chart, and it's also support on the book map. Have a look here. What is the level? 4,300. Yeah, check it out. Look how strong it is. 4,300, 4,350. So strong. So we take profit one there, definitely. Chainlink's absolutely dropping. Beautiful. Look at that. That just dumped out of nowhere. I'm gonna take some profits at TP1 here for Chainlink. Absolutely madness. I mean, you could see like the Chainlink was just holding off, and look at that. The 5-minute candle was absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I took some profits here, just like 25% because it's CP1 and everything's. I mean, Bitcoin's kind of still puzzling in terms of it's still, um, it's still just holding its level. But look at Chainlink. I mean, Chainlink just looks so bearish here. Yeah, I mean it's clean, absolutely clean. Chainlink is gonna save us. Bitcoin also dumping, and then obviously Uniswap. Uniswap still currently just holding a bit there, but we got Chainlink just ripping. Chainlink absolutely ripping. But yeah, I'm gonna log off in the next like 5 minutes here. We've gone through all the positions. So we have Chainlink TP2. We hit TP1 already, and then TP2 at 15.094, and then TP3 at 14.886. Yeah, and then Bitcoin TP1 at 43.052, TP2 42.800, and then TP3 42.400. I mean, that's worst case scenario, right? But I mean, it's good because if you're in shorts. And then uni, same thing. We went through this earlier. Let's see. I mean, uni is kind of still. Thing is, uni can still come up, to be honest, because it's still respecting this level here at 7.113. But it's fine because we in these other shorts, and if the market is bearish, uni would come down, but maybe it doesn't dump as hard as like Chainlink's doing now. But it will still come down slowly, unless it pulls a Dogecoin like yesterday. Reverse. Let's have a look at Lido. I haven't looked at this coin much today. Yeah, this is so bearish. Yeah. I mean, look at the range. Yeah. So it came back, retested the 2.3 range, tapped into 2.29. But that previous 1 hour candle is bearish, right? It's a doji, so it's not bearish. But because the momentum's to the downside, yeah, I mean this looks like it's about to dump. Yeah. You can take this as well. I think if you put your stops, yeah. So what I'll do is I'll put my stops above here, above 2.284, and then like TP1 is at 2.229. Yeah. TP2 would be at 2.1189. I don't know where I drew that, but let's see. There's a level there. Yeah, that's a level from the previous low. Your Chainlink's actually dripping. Oh. Yeah, Chainlink's so clean, yeah, guys. Patience, definitely, right? We're in drawdown for quite a long time there. Especially for Chainlink. Chainlink was in drawdown for quite a while. 49. Yeah. 14.886. Oh, there's a dump. Oh my god. TP2 just got hit, guys. You guys can look at taking profit there. I'm gonna take it a little bit more, yeah. 14.4. Yeah. Uni's flipping bearish, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, Chainlink's clean. You can put your stop loss to break even, yeah. Lido is absolutely clean as well, just dumped. Everything is just kind of clean, yeah. Bitcoin doing, I actually forgot. We're also in a Bitcoin short, yeah. It's clean all around. Yeah. Been a good day today. Yeah. The thing is, I need to. I got to that 71% now. I was sitting on 68% 2 months ago. But Lido is actually just dripping here. And then obviously we have Bitcoin sells, Chainlink sells all around. Oh wait, yeah. Do this. Okay, so yeah, we've gone through everything. I do appreciate everyone being here. Hopefully you guys did take these sells. So obviously, Bitcoin's in profit, Chainlink could take profit too. And yeah, I do appreciate everyone being here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's live and see you guys tomorrow.